So the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most interesting Ultra upgrades in years. And even though Samsung isn't reinventing the wheel, the refined design, powerful new camera setup, and a processor built for next-gen AI are already making noise. So today, let's break down everything known so far about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, its design, its cameras, the display, the chipset, and even the expected launch timeline. Leaks suggest Samsung isn't changing the overall philosophy of the Ultra lineup, but instead fine-tuning what already works. The floating camera rings from the S25 Ultra are reportedly being replaced by a more enclosed, symmetrical camera module. The display also gets a meaningful upgrade. The S26 Ultra is said to feature a 6.9-inch OLED panel with improved brightness reaching up to 3000 nits, along with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The front is flatter, and the corners are slightly rounded for a more comfortable grip and reduced hand fatigue, small refinements that should add up in daily use. On the camera side, Samsung's love for high megapixels stays strong. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to keep its 200-megapixel main camera, but this time using a Sony sensor. Supporting it is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. For selfies, Samsung is sticking to a 12-megapixel front camera, but this one is expected to be better optimized for low light and motion stability, especially for video calls. Under the hood, the power story gets even more interesting. Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is reportedly taking the lead, handling multitasking and AI processing with ease. The base model is expected to start with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Samsung hasn't shared battery numbers yet, but the leaks suggest better efficiency and faster charging improvements are part of the upgrade package. When it comes to launch timing, Samsung is likely sticking to its usual schedule, meaning a January global launch is most probable. Some insiders, however, hint at a late February debut, with India seeing the phone a few weeks later, around March 2025. This launch will also include the standard Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus sharing the stage with the Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may not be a dramatic redesign, but every leak suggests it's shaping up to be smoother, sharper, and smarter than before. From the new pill-shaped camera module to the brighter display and Sony-powered main camera, Samsung seems focused on polishing its flagship instead of reinventing it. So what do you think? Are you excited for the S26 Ultra? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Peace out.